So for this part of the video, we're going to be doing an alarm test. Nothing too special, but I do have more devices set up than I usually do. RSG RMS1T, rebranded by Simplex. We've seen this before. My system sensor SpectrAlert Classic P1224 MCW, set to 1575 candela. And we've got a wire running around. Sorry, my room's kind of a mess. You can't see that. I'm gonna have to get some light here. Let me get my flashlight app up really quick. The music you hear is playing down in the garage. Let's go here. Here we go. Simplex 4904 9185 110 candela ceiling strobe. Came from my dad's work, as you guys know that. Let's go look and see what we got in the other rooms. We still got a wire running. Come in here. In here we've got, this is Dad's room. So we've got an EST Genesis. I'm all tongue twisted tonight. EST Genesis G1RF-HDVM horn strobe. The wire still keeps running, and it ends in my brother's room. I thought I had the light on here. It ends in my brother's room. We've got a this you guys have not seen yet. This is my 4904 Simplex 4904 9177 15 candela strobe. I've actually had this for quite a while, since at least mid-2012. I just haven't shown it on video yet. So yeah, but it all runs to the Genesis, then it runs to the 9185 right there, which runs back to the SpectrAlert and the batteries. So let's do this. Here's that. Okay, that's it.